I must thank all the panelists.
One last question. One last question.
And I would like to invite Mr. Robin Srivastava here.
One last question, please, ma'am.
Okay.
That's
okay, the last question.
Can I ask this in between? Panel has already proceeded so far. My question is that.
Hello.
Just a small question. Just a small question.
Okay.
Kit Kat break हो रहा है यहाँ.
Okay, you asked.
This is corruption. Breaking the queue not permitted.
No, I have been given the first. I have been ignored because I.
अच्छा पूछना जल्दी पूछ फिर.
Okay.
Okay, push.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, ma'am. My question is for, in fact, Mr. Bhagat. Now we have talked about. Sorry, I must show my identity first. I am retired Commander Jaswant Singh, now advocate by Bombay High Court. So far we have discussed enough on corruption. I think now this is the time we have to, in fact, show the youngsters. I am happy today India is having most human capital of youngsters. That is 60% of our population is between 25 to 30 years of age. Now there is a requirement of to channelize. They have the energy, but they are required to be shown the right path. Now, in case of being political or apolitical, now we should come to the good governance. Now, and I feel Mr. Bhagat can contribute to this by writing the various articles or making some committee of independent audit of every institution. I would like to give the example of especially education system in our India, that yesterday it was a news yesterday or day before yesterday that no Indian university is one of the top 200 universities. So this is the stage we are going into. This is the governing system. Now we have to improve the governing system. So like last time I have seen, now people have to vote.
Excuse me, what is
politically or apolitically.
Excuse me, what's the question?
Question is, how can Mr. Bhagat contribute to this in giving vote to the right person so that right candidate can come and we can have the good governance?
Unfortunately, people who really deserve to be candidates don't join political parties early, so the people who come up in the ranks become the candidates. I think that is the sadness of it.
मेरे पास dimples भी नहीं है ना. Dimples आजकल सर हम लगे हुए हैं but and लगे रहेंगे और आपने कह दिया तो और लगे रहेंगे. आप एजुकेशन और करप्शन, ये दो इश्यूज़ मेरे लिए बहुत प्रिय हैं. एजुकेशन के लिए मैं एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर से मिल के आया. मैंने उन्हें बड़े स्पेसिफिक 3 सुझाव दिए. मैंने कहा कि जितने भी A ग्रेड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं उन्हें कहीं अपनी सीट्स डबल करें और सैटेलाइट कैंपसेस होने चाहिए. प्रोफेसर्स को भी तरक्की मिलेगी और स्टूडेंट्स को भी उस ब्रांड का फ़ायदा होगा. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी स्पेशली कैन ईजिली बी अ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी 2 इन गुड़गांव. मैंने बोला NCERT के सारा करिकुलम कौन बनाता है, उसमें इंडस्ट्री के कोई लोग मेरे को लगता नहीं है, तो वो करिकुलम चेंज होना चाहिए. ये सब मैं उनको पर्सनली जाके बोल के आया हूँ. लेकिन उन्होंने कहा ये तो हो ही रहा है. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद वो कुछ और चक्रों में फंस गए. उसके बाद वो इतने सारे मूवमेंट में फंस गए. लेकिन ऐसे होगा धीरे धीरे, वी विल चेंज इट. एंड मैंने फेसबुक पे पोल रन किया था on joining politics, believe it or not, anybody who's liked my page on Facebook. So we had 13,000 votes. I said, what would you like Chetan to do? Stay a writer, become a filmmaker, or become a politician. Okay? So I'll tell you what were the votes like. 12,000 vote थे और उसमें से 5% said become politics, 15% filmmaker, 80% stay a writer. तो मैं जनता की आवाज़ ही सुन रहा हूँ. So I think it's fine for now. But हम ये लगे रहेंगे. Like I said, the influence really matters. People, good people are there. They're all good people. I mean, why would Kiranji, like if she joins politics, मतलब for what? What would she do corruption for? She can cry with 2 gay heroes and make money. You know? That movie, yaar. My God. वो क्या पिक्चर थी यार?
I wish I could have learned the art of making money the way
यार वो
people
एक
have made
डायलॉग,
money.
अच्छा आप
I'm writing a book
I
now.
know,
Let
I
me
know
tell you,
it's-
got serious competition.
नहीं पर
That's where I'm coming.
एक बताओ, एक बार वो डायलॉग फिर से बोल दो कि मैं तुझे बहू बोलूं या वो बेटा वाला, प्लीज एक बार, प्लीज, बहुत सीरियस हो
I'm
रहा है
sorry, मुझे dialogues नहीं आते
यार, वो
बोलना.
मेरे को समझ
See,
नहीं
my
आता।
heart belongs to alternate cinema, not mainstream like yours.
अरे यार, ठीक है।
What do I do?
So, you know, we are doing our bit, and I think, you know, people like her coming, people like all these people, like, look at his experience, look at the kind of work. There are good people. There are good people. It's fine. Just have to back them. Like she said, don't lose heart. You know, don't lose heart. The day of political parties, you know, remember, I always give example of cinema. In the 80s, we had these really bad movies, you know, and these always no class audiences stopped going to cinemas. And then people changed. And today the movie's texture is different. The kind of, there's still, some of them are not good, but it has changed a lot from last 30 years. Why? Because producers who used to chew pan and sit and said, oh nahi yaar, public ko achhi cheez chahiye. You know, the day good candidates start winning, political parties will only field good candidates. ये
Can I say
सबसे
something
ज़्यादा
very
रंग
important?
बदल-
Yeah, sorry. I have to say something very important
Yes,
here, which
please,
I
ma'am.
forgot. Do you know why it has changed? For many years, the film industry fought to be given industry status. It was never given to us. There was so much black money. There was so much illegal money, bad money coming into the full-on black money. When the NDA government came into power, and a lot of people went to meet them, Mrs. Sushma Swaraj, who was the Information and Broadcasting Minister, gave us industry status. Today, there were people who took strong decisions. If they felt they took wrong decisions, they were not embarrassed to roll back publicly. They ruled with their heart. They served with their minds, which I don't find today. And let me tell you that there is no black money now. There are corporates, there is banking. All our payments are full check.
also for writers.
No, there is full money. You people are getting rights also now. So I think that was a great blessing. And the Congress government would never have done it. I mean, people who can remove Abdul Kalam as president, what else do you expect?
Thank you very much.
Hello, ma'am.
Request Jaimin Panchal to come and...
Can I ask my question,
आप
please?
पूछ लो यार।
One.
Question होना चाहिए, question.
Yeah, it is question.
Question mark end में होगा।
Yeah, it is question mark. Specific question.
ठीक है। आजा।
No, it should be first question, but however it is last one.
Let him.
हाँ, पूछो।
I am a process design engineer, left my job to join politics. But in between I find a disconnect between general life cycle.
ये लोग ये बताएंगे, ये politics में।
Yeah,
हाँ।
whoever you can.
नहीं, whoever नहीं ऐसे।
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
I am a process design engineer, left my job to join politics. In between, I find there is a big gap between the general lifestyle and the political setup.
अच्छा.
Do not tell me, just give me the solution. What can be for this?
Solution.
Yeah, well, the points, how it can be improved. How it can be improved. There is a
क्या
gap.
बोल रही हैं?
चलिए।
Okay.
बेटा मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, हिंदी में बोल दो ना.
Thank you, sir. No, it's
Okay.
fine.
Can I ask my question till then? I've been waiting in the queue for quite some time.
I think just out of respect for the organizers,
let us have
you know, people will be around. आप
let
लोग
us have
आके
some-
इनसे one on one भी शायद पूछ सकते हैं. I think that's okay. People will be around for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Relax. Just relax.
I
It's
think,
okay. You know, नहीं तो ये तो मतलब फिर सुबह हो जाएगी, फिर क्लासों का टाइम हो
Hey,
जाएगा.
my question is just one line.
Can I request everybody present here to maintain some decorum? These panelists are not going anywhere. They are here.
This is not the parliament, right? We
They're
don't have
here
to
for you.
scream. It's okay. Right?
I am sure all the ladies here would love to throng Chetan Bhagat and Aditya Raj Kaul, whereas the guys are all reserved for the ladies. So let us save some time for the post question answer sessions. It will be a one-on-one interaction session personally. So let's just take one last question and then proceed, because we have people who have to make presentations.
Okay, my question is, okay, everybody talks about corruption and, changing the process and all. Okay, what's really the cause of corruption? Red tapeism, this is the cause of corruption. Papers, files, this, that, go to this person, go to that person, then do this process, then that process. There's no transparency. There's no, straightforward way, like, okay, fine, do this, that's it, done. Everything's so confusion and all.
Question mark लगेगा?
Yeah, that's my question. What are you doing to target that? What are you doing?
No, I mean, you're right. You're making very good points, and you're absolutely right. And a lot of bureaucracy, a lot of laws, over laws are not good. But I mean, it's completely agreement with you on that.
Okay, so my point is, instead of changing the electoral process and all this, you know, even if you keep the same process, it's okay. Just reduce red tape, so everything will go on the right path.
I think
Why-
things are
what do you
becoming
mean with
more
that?
and more better and better. They will. Things will become online. The moment you get honest people in, they will cut out red tapeism anyway, because they don't want you to mire you and gumrah karo you in all that. वो directly आपको सब चीजें मिल
Ma'am, I'll
जाएंगी.
give you an example. This very first example, this online admission system in Mumbai. Ma'am, you know, online admission, it might have reduced our pain of going to different colleges, but in the end, it has screwed up everyone's case. And even after that, half of the admissions are happening
Yes, you
offline.
need better people who are running those online admissions. That's the problem. Hana?
Cheers. I think we should now restrict the questions and